In the heart of Agra, a culinary journey awaits as locals and travelers alike uncover the best dishes to savor within just 24 hours. Starting the day in Agra, a plate of poha and a steaming cup of masala chai offer a delightful taste of home, energizing the spirit for the day ahead. As lunch approaches, the streets fill with the enticing aromas of spicy chaat, a must-try for anyone looking to indulge in Agra's street food culture. As the sun sets, the allure of Mughlai biryani beckons, a dish steeped in history that promises to tantalize the taste buds with every fragrant bite. To conclude this culinary journey, the sweet taste of Agra's legendary petha offers a perfect finale, delighting those who savor its unique flavor and texture. As the day winds down, ice cream at the Taj Mahal not only cools the palate, but also enriches the experience, creating lasting memories against one of the world's most breathtaking backdrops.